Hello everyone and welcome back to the Trusted Car Products YouTube channel. Thank you for joining us for another unboxing video. We're here again as always with the BecauseRaceCarBox subscription boxes. We've got the February edition of their box fresh to our door, ready to have a look through and talk through with you guys and see what's within. Okay, so first thing that struck us on opening the box was, aside from the fact it seems a very full box this month, we were presented with what we thought was just a nice little pretty picture of a Nissan 370Z. But flip it over and it does actually tell you the contents of the box, which is a nice little addition from the team. Gives you instructions on how to use the products, what they can be used for, dilution rates, that sort of thing. So if you just leave that in the box, and if you want a quick sort of referral guide, it's very helpful to have. So first thing we've got in the box, product wise, is a nice big plush towel. Using the little guide that they've given us, I can tell straight away it is a 40 centimetre by 40 centimetre drying towel with a GSM of 1000. Always very good to have nice plush drying towels when you're doing your car. Chamois leathers are a thing of the past. I still hear a lot of people talk about leathering it dry or chamoising a car dry. You want to always avoid that. Basically when you're cleaning a car safely, you want to avoid flat surfaces on flat surfaces. So avoid sponges, avoid chamois, because basically if you trap some dust or debris under a sponge or a chamois, you're going to end up moving it around the paintwork and put swirls and defects in. Whereas if you've got a nice plush towel or a nice plush wash mitt, it doesn't completely eradicate the risk, but it very much minimises it, because the soiling will go into the pile rather than be trapped beneath the two. So having a nice plush drying towel is an essential part of safe car care, and this feels extremely plush. Like I say, it's 1000 GSM, so we'll definitely be putting that to the test the next time we have a car in to clean. Okay, so drying towel out the way. We said it felt like a bumper box this month, and opening it up we can see that there is a substantial amount of products in here this month. We've got another product from the Keep It Mint detailing product range. We had the shampoo in the box last month, which we've been testing extensively this month. We're actually in the process of doing the written review of at the moment. We loved it. It smelled fantastic. Gave a real nice sort of slick feel across the paintwork, and it was all about the smell for us with it as well as the finish, to be fair, because it did smell amazing. But we've got the citrus pre-wash from them this time. Citrus pre-washes, in my opinion, are the best form of pre-wash. Yes, snow foam looks more spectacular, and TFRs do have bite to them, but you have to be careful when using TFRs. Citrus pre-wash we find a very effective way of degreasing a car, getting traffic film off, getting bugs off, getting heavier dirt off, and quite often we'll hit a car with a citrus pre-wash before we snow foam. So we're very keen to try the one from Keep It Mint, because like we say, the shampoo in the box last month was very impressive, so hopefully this will be as well. Okay, so next out of the box we've got the wax shampoo Luminous from the Bear Car Care group. Ironically, we've actually been in talks with Bear Car Care over the last few weeks, and they have actually just sent us out this Luminous shampoo as part of a set of products for us to try. We haven't had an opportunity to try it yet, but we have heard great things about the brand, so we will be putting it to the test along with their other products in the coming weeks, so we'll be able to feed that back to you. Be a good opportunity to try it when we wash the car with that, and then dry it with the BecauseRaceCarBox drying towel, so maybe do a bit of a combo video for you when we do that. But very keen to try that out, because like we say, we've heard very good things about the brand. Okay, and finally out of the box, in terms of detailing products, we have a brand which we must confess we're not actually familiar with, called Buffett. At first we thought this was just an interior cleaner, but we've read the instructions both on the bottle and on the little accompanying postcard that RaceCarBox gave us. And it is an all-purpose cleaner for both exterior and interior. It gives the impression that this is going to be a very useful product. Reading the label, it seems that it has a wide range of uses, including on fabric and vinyl. So we're very keen to give that a good test, and we'll put it to the test on a variety of surfaces of different levels of soiling, and feedback accordingly for you guys. Okay, finally out of the box we have a air freshener from the team at Creative Hitch. Again, I must admit, a brand we're not familiar with at this moment in time. But scented air fresheners, themed air fresheners do seem to be a very popular thing at the moment. You know, unique scents that you might not have tried before, unique shapes, designs, etc. It does seem to be quite an in thing at the moment. So always keen to try those, so we'll definitely be popping that in the works van, seeing how it fares over the next few weeks. Okay, I say finally with the air freshener just then, but of course we've got the BecauseRaceCarBox sticker, which does allow me now to sponsor my other machine polisher holder in the unit. We've already got as we put on the Instagram post the other day, one of the stickers across our metallic sort of machine polisher holders, and it looks great. So I'll pair that up on the other one now, and I'll soon, I'm sure, have an array of BecauseRaceCarBox sponsored accessories and stands around my unit, but we don't mind that because it grabs the attention as people come in and gives you guys a bit of a shout out as well. Okay guys, thank you for checking out another of our videos at Trusted Car Products. We really appreciate you checking in. Please like, share, comment and subscribe to the videos as always. We will pop a link in the description to the RaceCarBox website if you want to subscribe to their subscription boxes. We really recommend it. We are really enjoying getting the boxes through and trying the different products. I'll also pop a few links in the description to the products that are in the box this month in case they're anything of interest to you and you'd like to check out those products and the rest of those brands ranges. But just to summarise, thank you very much for joining us as always, and we hope to see you soon.